Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring how to produce impressive t-shirt graphics using Canva and monetize them through online sales. I will walk you through each phase of the process. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned creator, this approach simplifies everything so you can begin generating income quickly. Let's get started. Our primary tool is Canva. If you aren't familiar with it, it is a user-friendly web-based design platform. You don't need professional skills to make high-quality work. While there is a paid version, the free tier is perfectly sufficient for starting your business. You can always upgrade to Canva Pro later, but for now, the free tools provide everything necessary to launch without any initial cost. Just sign up for a free account to save your progress and access various templates. Before designing, you need to find inspiration. This can be tough, but you don't need a completely original concept to succeed. Many top-selling items follow current trends. Check out sites like Behance, Dribbble, or Instagram. Searching for graphic tee ideas will show you styles ranging from minimal to complex. Observe popular fonts and colors. You might put a modern spin on a retro trend or use unique typography for motivational quotes to make them stand out. Once you have a theme, return to Canva to begin. Open Canva and type T-shirt design into the search bar to find numerous templates. These are excellent time savers for beginners. You can modify every detail of these templates, including text, colors, and images, or even start with a blank canvas. Let's begin with a basic template to learn the interface. Once selected, you have total creative control to make the design yours. If a template has a graphic or quote you like, feel free to change it to fit your vision. You might replace a generic quote with something more personal like "Dream big" or "Life is beautiful." Canva provides many styling options for text. Try different fonts to match the mood, whether it's sleek or playful. Adjust the size and placement carefully. Use high-contrast colors for better readability and apply effects like shadows or outlines for a 3D appearance. Keep tweaking until it looks professional and clear. Next, add some visuals. Canva's Elements tab is full of icons and illustrations. Whether you want a simple star or a detailed animal, it's all there. A key tip is to avoid overly complex graphics. Your design should be clear from a distance. Use a few meaningful elements rather than cluttering the space. Now, refine the details. Ensure everything is balanced by adjusting the spacing. Canva's alignment guides will snap elements into the center or space them evenly. Consider color harmony as well. A black and white theme offers elegance, while bright colors provide energy. Use the color palette generator to find complementary shades. Sometimes, less is more, so simplify if the design feels too busy. When you are happy with the result, click the Share button at the top right and select Download. For the best print results, choose the PNG format to keep the image sharp. Crucially, if your design needs to sit on different colored fabrics, select the transparent background option. This prevents an unwanted box from appearing around your art. Hit Download to save the file to your device. With your file ready, it's time to use a print-on-demand service like Printful, Printify, or Teespring. We will use Teespring for this example. Create a free account and browse their catalog for items like hoodies, shirts, or even mugs. Choose the product that fits your art best. Upload your Canva file using the Upload Image button. Teespring will show a preview on the product. You can resize or reposition the graphic to ensure it is perfectly centered. Next, pick your color options, from neutrals like gray to brighter tones like sky blue. Select the available sizes so customers have choices. Remember that dark art usually looks better on light shirts, and vice versa. Now, set your price. Teespring shows the base cost, which covers production and shipping. Your profit is the difference between this base cost and your retail price. Research your niche to see what others are charging, usually between $20 and $30. If the base cost is $12, selling for $25 gives you a good profit margin while staying competitive. Consider the fabric quality and your target audience when deciding. You can also try offering first-time discounts or bundle deals to boost sales. Finally, click Launch to make your product live. You will get a unique URL for your shop. Promote this link on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Since Teespring manages the printing, shipping, and support, you can focus entirely on marketing. Following these steps allows you to turn your creativity into a profitable business with very little effort. You can also expand to platforms like Shopify or Etsy to grow your brand further.